Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we are Coastal Business.
Today we are going to work with our Jet Pro Soft Stretch Heat Transfer paper right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to work with our Jet Pro Soft Stretch Transfer paper by Nina. And we are going to use our Epson printer. And let's get started. When printing, you do want to make sure that you are using pigment-based ink, and you are going to want to reverse your image. Here is our image, and now we are going to trim around. We do offer this paper online in sheet packs as well as a roll form. You can find that at coastalbusiness.com. We also recommend silicone. Make sure you do take your Teflon off of your press.
Almost done here.
So you do have several options when cutting. You can send this through your cutter to do a contour cut. You can trim around the edges with scissors, just like Meredith has done, or you can use an X-Acto knife to try to get as close as possible to your image before transferring.
And we're at 350 for 30 seconds.
And when using heat transfer paper for inkjet, most papers are heavy. As for this one, it is a heavy pressure that you do want to use. So usually about an 8 to 9 bar. It is also going to be a hot peel, and then we are going to repress with silicone for 20 seconds. And that really is for the ink to kind of settle inside the fabric fibers for durability.
Here we go.
So that is our Jet Pro Soft Stretch. As always, thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.
Thank you.